Est-ce que tu as une cigarette? Est-ce que tu peux m'aider pour cet exercice? Est-ce que tu sais où se trouve la gare? Excusez-moi, est-ce que vous savez à quelle heure ouvre le restaurant? If you are learning French, you may have heard that phrase a lot. When French people want to ask for a question, sometimes they use the phrase est-ce que, est-ce que, est-ce que. And you may wonder why they use est-ce que and what is the difference between est-ce que and the other ways to ask a question in French. In today's video, I'm going to explain you when and how you should use est-ce que in French. So stay till the end of that video. But before we start, if you want to improve your pronunciation and listening skills in French while learning 100 of new words every day, you can use my free audiobooks that appear right here. It is a series of short stories in slow and fast French. The idea is to help you understand how French pronunciation works while learning a lot of vocabulary in the same time. It is a funny way to improve your French pronunciation and learn new French words. So if you are interested, simply check the link in the description of this video. That being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you should know about est-ce que is that it is mostly used for spoken French. I don't know if you read a lot of French books or novels or articles, but if you do, you must have noticed that people that write these books or novels or articles, they don't really use the phrase est-ce que, est-ce que. Of course, if you are in the middle of a dialogue in a novel or an article, sometimes people may use est-ce que to ask for questions, but that proves that the phrase est-ce que is not really meant for written French. So you should mostly use est-ce que for spoken French. So now you may wonder if est-ce que is formal or informal. And I would say that it is not very informal, but it is not that formal either. You can use est-ce que to talk to your boss or est-ce que to talk to one of your friends. In both cases it works and it will not offend anyone. And of course, est-ce que can be followed by the vouvoiement or the tutoiement. So you can say est-ce que tu as l'heure? Est-ce que vous pouvez m'aider? In both cases it works. So now you know all that, how to use the phrase est-ce que to ask a question in French. It is so easy. Just put the phrase est-ce que and the question. Est-ce que tu peux m'aider? Est-ce que tu peux m'aider? It is as simple as that. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, consider subscribing to this channel if you want to improve your French with short videos like this one. I do YouTube videos where I give you tips and tricks to learn French faster and in a funnier way. And if you have any idea for other videos, just tell me in the comments below. For instance, if you want to know more about grammar, more about vocabulary, tell me in the comments. I read all the comments. So if you have any questions, don't forget to tell me in the comments. That's it for today's episode. À la prochaine. Au revoir.